I'm Tim Burdett, and I'm a mechanical engineering faculty at Messiah University. I lead a team at what we call the Collaboratory, called the Streamlining Wind Turbines team. And we have started partnering with the WindAid Institute in 2023. So it's been a few years that we've been working with them. It's been a fun, great relationship. I will say WindAid really manages it well. It's just a few hours from Trujillo. We climb about 3,000 meters in just a few hours. And the family that we're building the turbine for actually provides meals for us, and we're able to talk with them and get to know them and really see how having this energy source for them, having electricity, really has an impact on their livelihood. And so it's a really great experience for the students to be able to see all of that and work with such a great team. So one of the great things about our partnership with WindAid is that students have been able to work through the full design process, which includes the client interview and understanding what they really need, going through developing requirements and specifications, designing the system, and then actually building it and performing the validation, the verification and validation, and then also being able to come to Peru to visit a house, a family, and install the system with a turbine. So that's what we did this morning. We installed the turbine monitoring system that will actually monitor the turbine power. And with this data, we're able to, one, just confirm that the system is operating properly. And we're also, it's going to lay the groundwork for just further design improvements to the system on the mechanical and electrical side. And it's also going to lay the groundwork for potentially some preventative maintenance procedures that will help keep the system operating smoothly and for years. And I look forward to continue collaborating with WindAid and making an impact in the lives of Peruvians here to bring off-grid energy to them. And I invite you to reach out to WindAid and join the good work that they are doing here.